Yes sir, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Denali, aka Don Squally, back at y'all with another little project car update video for you guys. So in the last video, for those of you guys who watched it, if you haven't, go check it out, man. We put a set of rear brakes on this car. So far holding up pretty good. Had to go back in and lube up the slider pins again because they were just, one side was sticking a little more than the other. But I figure what I would do today is go over a couple of the things that I've done to the car so far in order to get it on the road. Now you guys do know we put on those yellow headlights. Also have this 03, 04 bumper that I bought. I did sell the Nismo bumper for a little bit of a profit, so I did want something on there that was gonna kind of make it look not so heat scored. Now if you guys do notice, there is a lip on this car. I'm not sure if it's off like a Chrysler 200 or like a Dodge Avenger or something like that, but we did throw that on there just for a little bit of aesthetics. Now interior still pretty well gutted. I'm gonna put the back seats and probably the carpet from my black car in the back here just because it is a little bit loud and obnoxious. Now I know there was a couple of you guys commenting on the channel saying that this engine bay needs a clean, and I couldn't agree more. The plenum's pretty disgusting. So I just threw the engine cover, obviously off of my black G35 on there. That Injen intake still holding up quite nicely. Have a new battery in there as well as the alternator, which you guys saw in a previous video. Now the only other thing that I've really done to this car differently since I got it is I threw on, let me see if I can get a little shot underneath here. Threw on another resonator, so I'm not sure if you can see, that's a resonator right there. Right there is the 350Z resonator. And this thing also has a vibrant muffler. Now this thing was just ridiculously loud for me. Those of you guys who have been subscribed to my channel for a while know that when I put pretty well test pipes on the Altima high flow precats, it was way too loud for me. On my black car, when I put the test pipes on, it was way too loud. And this car, just driving on the highway with the drone and stuff like that, was very loud. It's getting a little cold. I'm gonna run inside here, show you guys what we got going on the inside. Now, if you guys did see the part out video, we got rid of the double din and the Metra dash kit, so I went ahead, picked up this radio. Now, I mainly put this in here just so I could get the heater controls and the defroster working. I also went ahead and put the front door speakers in, as well as the rear sub there, and there's our makeshift brake light. And now I can, you know, play my MP3 player and stuff like that as I'm cruising to work. Also went ahead and just threw this piece of carpet here, screwed her down, got a cup holder there for my coffee. You know, I know it's a race car, but you need a spot for the coffee. And then obviously the Crown Royal shifter knob, heated seats. Still work. We got the switches for those in there. We've got the traction control switch right there. And really the only thing that I want to do to this car next is just get rid of this shift knob. I absolutely hate this shift knob. I noticed what I can do is just pull it off, and then I'm going to try to find like some sort of a ball or maybe like an aftermarket shift knob for, you know, a manual car that I can just drill and maybe JB weld on there just to give us a little bit of a better look. But for the time being, I guess that's better than nothing, man. So what I think I'm probably going to do is jump outside, give you guys a little bit of a startup and an exhaust rev. Since we got the new exhaust on here, man. Well, as you can see, this thing's quite a bit more quiet than it was. Shout out SoCal G. Basically, I like it a little more because I can actually hear that intake just a little bit more. I love the way these VQs sound when that intake gets to really revving up. Looks like I missed a spot down there. And I still get a little bit of the VQ exhaust noise, to be honest. It's still a little bit too loud for my taste. So like I say, I might go ahead and throw the rear seat bottom and the rear carpets from my black car in there just to make it a little bit more bearable. But yeah, I'm thinking we pretty much covered everything. Ooh, that's a nice shot right there with that Canadian flag in the background. That pretty much covers everything, man. So I just figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an update on this car. It is 100% legal and on the road, sounding, looking pretty dope, man. So as always, man, don't forget to smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed, definitely do so, man, because I'm gonna have a whole bunch of videos of this car on the channel, and to be honest, probably end up selling it soon. So if anyone's interested in buying this car, man, gonna start out the bidding $500. See how that goes. So as always, I'm your boy Denali, aka Don Squally. We're gonna catch y'all mofos at the next one, man. Peace.